Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Stella. I'm a mommy vlogger. I base here in Italy. Officially married with 2 kids. So guys, welcome back. If you are a new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. To all my returnees, you guys are wonderful. Thank you for coming back. I really do appreciate. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you people how I manage with Selena whenever she has catarrh and cough. So if I notice she has catarrh and cough, cold cause it. So I will just stop bathing her. Maybe if I'm bathing her like every day before, I will stop. I will be bathing her like every two days. Yes. So, but every day I will be cleaning her body with hot water and massaging her with shea butter and baby rub. So guys, if you know that this video is interesting to you or is the kind of video you want to watch, please just watch and share to your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I said before, and be a member of this home. Okay, so I will leave you guys to watch the remaining part of it. Just look at it step by step how I do it. As you watch, God bless you. Thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.